nothing.
Hello. Hi. How are you doing today? Good. What we got going on for you guys?
Oh, you're getting the shot of these trees? What kind of tree is that?
I don't know.
We got stickers. Like these rabbits.
It's Easter.
Yeah, there's rabbit stuff. Carrots. Got stuff
Oh my gosh, super cute.
There's all kinds of rabbit things in the stores. Which one are you gonna buy?
I don't know. They're all cute. They have string lights. String lights. I kind of do.
Get you one.
Cool.
Why don't you just get you one?
おー、見て見て、めっちゃ可愛い。They're so cute. Oh my god.
Why don't you get you one?
Yeah. Wow, they're so cute.
Apply now and get the savings you love and the benefits you deserve with Red Card.
What is this? This block? Do I need this?
No,
I don't.
we have plenty of blocks. Yep.
That's in the future Hot Wheels.
Mhm.
Doctor Strange's car that he wrecked in the beginning.
Ah,
You know?
that's cursed. What you got?
You got yourself some video game for the kids. A new case and a charger cable.
Okay, cool. Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
We got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah. Look at all the.
Let's put toothpaste and Oreos. And the Oreos.
This store is super cheap.
Toothpaste. Check out
This place is a wonderful
I
place.
also feel like they changed like the products in here.
Yeah. Black bean burger. Quinoa burger. Ooh.
There's another burger up here that's looks pretty good, gourmet something.
Oh, I think that one is actual
Oh,
burger.
grass-fed beef.
Yeah.
This is that one. Yeah, kale.
Yeah.
What is this one?
Hmm?
Oh, this is just regular. There's says an Asian veggie burger back there.
Yeah. You wanna try it?
Yeah. What is this? Thai.
There's meatless meatball.
And so we got tenders,
Let me see.
and patty.
Is that all vegan? We have to make sure.
I don't know yet. I haven't looked at them. I mean, yeah. These two have a B. This one has a B. They all are.
Cool.
We got it.
Hmm? Ooh, we got all the good stuff.